Well, hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today we are on Lake Hickory, competing in the QCKBF tournament event number 4. Put in at the Whittenburg boat landing. Saw a couple of friends at the, couple buddies at the boat launch, which is cool. This is gonna. My initial plan, I was gonna put in a Lake Rhodhiss. However, 2 days ago there was historic rainfalls. I think Rhodhiss is 7 feet above full pond. I mean, it's bad. I came to Hickory thinking it'd be a little bit better. I think it is a little bit better, but I'm not sure if you can tell. It is a muddy mess. There's just giant fields of debris. Everything is just covered in debris. So I suspect it's going to be pretty difficult, but I'm going to get to it, try to catch some fish. Here we go. Well, hey guys, midday update. I even got a bite. Not only have I not caught a fish, I haven't got a bite. Now I knew coming into this was not going to be a. In fact, I knew wasn't going to be a good tournament for me. This is in the upper Catawba chain, which is, you know, it's Lake Rhodhiss, Lake James, Lake Hickory. I've been on all of those lakes, you know, about 4 or 5 times. I think total I've caught maybe 4 fish at all of this. I knew coming into it, it was going to be like super tough for me, and I wasn't really, of everything on the QCKBF schedule, this was the one I was least excited about. And I knew it was going to be bad, and it's right on par with what I was expecting. However, what I was not expecting, it's just been like one thing after another. I spent most of the tournament trying to get debris out of the drive of my kayak, and then I was dealt another unfortunate setback. As soon as I got in the kayak, look what I see. My electronics decided not to work. Now, I don't know if it's a problem with the unit. I don't know if it's a problem with wiring. I don't know what the problem is in general, but I'm flying blind this tournament, which I'm not an expert in like electronics. I'm not particularly good at it. However, the 2 things that I do use the electronics for, depth and temperature. I have no clue what, I mean, when the water looks like that, I have zero clue how deep I'm fishing in. And I mean, I'm just feeling with my hand the temperature. Based on my semi-professional opinion, I think it's probably mid-50s, low. Ooh, that's actually 54. It's 54 degrees. I'm just guessing, I don't know. But that's actually what I use my unit for more than anything else is depth and temperature, and I don't have either one of those. So I don't know. At this point, if I could just avoid a skunk, I'd be happy. If I could get 1 12-inch fish, I'll call this thing a success. Again, I got 4 more hours. Let's see if I can make something happen. Stay tuned. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Oh. Yes! All right, guys, 16.5 inches. Only bite of the day, but beats a skunk. All right, gonna submit this guy to the leaderboard. Well, let's get him back in the water. And now it's time for tackle roundup. Now, obviously, I am not on the water right now. I forgot to do the tackle roundup while I was on the water, so I'm doing it after the fact. What I caught that fish on was this. It is a Spro RkCrawler. It's got like that brown back with a chartreuse belly. I can't remember what the name of the color is, but that's what it is. It's kind of like a wigglewort, the Storm wigglewort, but it's made by Spro. Pretty good lure. And that's what my lone fish has been on. In fact, that's been my lone bite up to this point. But that's what I'm using. Spro RkCrawler. And that concludes today's tackle roundup. Well, guys, I'm taking a little bit of a breather out here. As you can tell, the weather has turned, and basically it was like some thunder came up. So I came and I spotted this little marina, and have been fishing. I'm not fishing where I want to fish, but I was fishing close to the marina just for this instance, in case the weather got bad. So I'm hanging out right now. I have an hour and a half left of fishing. Still only have the one fish, but the fishing has been incredibly tough. I'm proud to get the one fish, to be quite honest with you. It's my goal for today's event. Honestly and truly, wasn't even to get a limit. I just wanted to avoid a skunk. So mission accomplished. I would like to get, another, let's be real. I would like to fill out a limit. I think that is going to be a stretch, to say the least. But I'm going to fish till the very last minute and see what happens. Again, I've got an hour and a half. Let's see if we can make something happen. Stay tuned. False alarm. Tree pounder. Well, guys, I think I'm going to call it a little bit early. It's about 2:30. Lines out is at 3 o'clock. However, we've been dodging storms pretty much the whole time. I'm basically surrounded by storms right now. So I say I'm going to call it. I'm going to work my way back to the ramp because I'm still a good ways out. But safe to say I did awful. I did manage to catch the one fish, 16.5 inches. So mission accomplished on avoiding the skunk. I would like to say that I had a great time out here, but I'm not going to lie. I just don't particularly care for this lake. It actually looks really good. It looks like a kind of lake that I would typically fish. I just don't have a history of success here, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know what the deal is, but I've heard this lake is finicky. I've heard you can have some of the best fishing of your life, and you can have it's nothing in between. It's either phenomenal or it's off. Maybe I just come here when it's off. But all that to say, if you'd like to know anything about the lures or anything that I use today, you can look down in the description box. I'm going to put some additional information down there. But while you're there, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. When I say share, share it with your friends. Let them know what we're doing over here. Let them know that you enjoy the channel. This channel is updated every week with new fishing content and new fishing adventures. You don't want to miss out on any of that phenomenal fishing content. But I'm going to call it a day. Going to head back to the house, get something to eat. But I'll be seeing you next week. This is Josh, and this is Abide Fishing. Hey guys, we're out here at the launch. We have a very special guest. Got my buddy Mark. Tell him about your channel, Mark.
Oh, my channel is Northeast Georgia Kayak Fishing. Check it out. A lot of clear water, big spotted bass, big largemouth, and I don't edit like this man, but it's fun to watch, especially if you're coming out to the area of Western North Carolina where I live in Northeast Georgia. Check me out on YouTube.
This guy is a phenomenal fisherman, and he don't let him sell himself short. His channel is really good. A lot of good information, a lot of clear water lakes. Check him out. I'll leave a link down in the description box. You can go check him out. Northeast Georgia Kayak Fishing.
Thank you, friend. I appreciate it.
And now I'm going to go out here, and this guy's going to kick my butt.